everyone, welcome to my channel, Everything Martha, Crafts and More. And I have my cousin, Mike. No, I have to cut that.
No, it's fine.
I can edit it, no. And I have my niece, Gaby, here with me today. They're off of school. So we're going to make a cooking video. I haven't made one in a while. So what are we cooking today, Gaby?
Chickpeas, butt beans.
Chickpeas. What do you call it?
Butt beans.
Butt beans.
Because they look like butts.
Oh, they do. They look like butts. Okay, so we are cooking chickpeas. In Spanish, they're called garbanzos, garbanzo beans. And it's called garbanzos fritos, which is, translated, it's fried garbanzo beans. But we're going to make them in a sauce, and we're going to add some veggies, and it's going to be delicious. And Gaby is going to be my assistant here today. So we're going to go in the kitchen now and start this delicious recipe. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you will try it. Are you ready to start cooking?
Yeah.
I'm ready too. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay, you guys, and this is what you're going to need if you want to make this recipe. We're going to use 3 cans of 15.5 ounces of the chickpeas. And if you want to make a smaller amount, you can just use as many cans as you need. I'm going to use some tomato sauce, some tomato paste, some diced tomatoes, a green pepper, an onion, some pumpkin, some carrots, some seasonings, olive oil, and cooking wine. And that's what we're going to use. And I'm going to make it with some jasmine rice on the side. And so let's get working on this recipe. Okay, so Gaby's opening up the cans that she's already rinsed. And she's pouring them in the strainer because we want to rinse the beans and we want to make sure that they're really drained. One more.
The butts are inside the jar.
Okay, cool. Okay, so while we have the chickpeas draining,
Is that enough?
it's fine. Gaby is going to be rinsing the carrots for me and cutting them in halves.
Oh, this one's kind of small.
Okay, you guys, so I have my green peppers and onions all cut up. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour some olive oil in the pan so we could saute the onions and the green peppers. Okay, and my helper Gaby is going to pour the onions and the green peppers in the olive oil. Okay, and we're waiting for the heat to the oil to get hot. Okay, so we are just going to saute the green peppers and the onions, right, Gaby?
Yeah.
And we got our beans here, which Gaby calls butt beans. Let's see why. Let's take a close look at this bean. Ooh, I see why.
Oh my god.
I see why. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so next we're going to add the chickpeas in there. Every single last one. Okay, and start mixing the green peppers and onions. You can have it in here. Mix it all together. Nice and well. And, you know, I'm making this a vegetarian version of this dish, but you can also add ham, little pieces of ham, or you can add sausage. It's up to you. I'm just going to make a vegetarian version. And you can go ahead and add the seasonings to taste. I'm going to add a little bit more of the seasonings all over. It's a really quick and easy and delicious dish. It smells really good. Right, Gaby?
Yeah, it smells pretty good.
Yeah.
I smell like a girl with your eyes.
Did she say something?
No.
Okay. I'm so glad I have you as my helper today, Gaby. It smells good, right? Okay, so now go ahead and add the tomatoes, Gaby. 1 can, yes, of the petite diced tomatoes. And mix that in really well. It's really nice and colorful too. A very healthy dish. and inexpensive, I might add. Okay, now you can go ahead and add the can of tomato sauce. The whole thing. And just leave it there because we're gonna pour the wine in there after. Mix that as well. Okay, Gabby. Next, we're gonna add 2 full teaspoons of the tomato paste. Pick it against the pan.
Oh, okay.
Maybe we're gonna use 3. Get another big one. And 1 more. Okay, start to mix it.
That's like music.
We might even add a little more, but let's see how it looks when you start stirring it.
Okay. Come on up. Oh, you keep touching it.
Oh, that looks good, right?
Yeah. I want to eat it. This is for dinner?
This is dinner, yes. Okay, so we are going to add, I poured a whole can of cooking wine in there, and we're going to pour that in. And most likely I'm going to add another can of the wine. Okay, so we're going to pour a whole other can of cooking wine in there. The alcohol is going to cook out. Okay, very good, very good.
So watery.
Okay, Gabby. So next, we're going to go get the pumpkin and the carrots. Okay, so next we have our pumpkin cut up into little chunks. You can add those a couple at a time. I don't want it to splatter, Gabby. Put them in slowly, okay? Without putting your finger in. Okay, because those are big chunks and it's really good. It gives it a great taste. Now the pumpkin and the carrots are gonna cook in this sauce. And you can slowly pour the carrots in. So
ow!
you see, Gabby.
Ow.
Look at that. You got some sauce on your shirt.
It's okay. The shirt's kind of like.
It's a peanut shirt. Look how cute. Okay. All right. Mix that in.
Oh. It's kind of hard. There's like the yellow things.
And we have a can of water that we're going to add as well.
Okay.
Okay, and so now we're going to lower the heat. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to lower the heat. We're going to simmer this for about probably half an hour until the vegetables are cooked and the sauce has thickened, and we will be back. Hey guys, and here it is, all cooked. The sauce is thick. We added the potatoes, and I'm gonna serve it over rice. Thanks for watching. Thanks for helping, Gabby.